Here's how to get a Gemini API key without wasting time clicking through a bunch of menus. Go straight to aistudio.google.com. You'll land right on the API keys page instead of getting lost in Google AI Studio's maze of options. Sign in with your Google account when it pops up. Now here's the annoying part. Google makes you accept their terms of service before you can do anything. Check that consent box that says, "I consent to the Google API's terms of service," and hit "I accept." Kind of redundant since you already have a Google account, but whatever. Then click Get API Key and then look for the Create API Key button in the top right corner. Click it and you'll see this Generating API Key pop up with a little spinner. Takes maybe 3 seconds, then boom. Your API key shows up as this long random string of letters and numbers. Hit the copy button right away. Close the pop-up and you're back on the main page. Scroll down a bit and there's your new key sitting in a table with your project info. Pretty straightforward layout. Shows your project number, name, and the key itself all lined up. Want more keys for different projects? Just hit that Create API Key button again. They all show up in this same table so you can see everything at once. Beats having keys scattered across different pages. Check out the usage and billing section in the left sidebar too. This becomes super important once you start making API calls because you can see exactly what you're using and what it's costing. Better to know upfront than get surprised by charges later. That's it. Your Gemini API key is ready to go.